शुक्लाम्बरधरं विष्णुं शशिवर्णं चतुर्भुजं प्रसन्नवदनं ध्यायेत् सर्वविघ्नोपशान्तये अगजाननपद्मार्कं गजाननमहर्निशम् अनेकदन्तं भक्तानामेकदन्तमुपास्महे दोर्भिर्युक्ता चतुर्भिः स्फटिकमणिमयीमक्षमालां दधाना हस्तेनैकेन पद्मं सितमपि च शुकं पुस्तकं चापरेण भासा कुन्देन्दुशङ्खस्फटिकमणिनिभा भासमाना समाना सा मे वाग्देवतेयं निवसतु वदने सर्वदा सुप्रसन्ना मूकं करोति वाचालं पङ्गुं लङ्घयते गिरिं यत्कृपातमहं वन्दे परमानन्दमाधवम् शान्ताकारं भुजगशयनं पद्मनाभं सुरेशं विश्वाधारं गगनसदृशं मेघवर्णं शुभाङ्गं लक्ष्मीकान्तं कमलनयनं योगिहृध्यानगम्यं वन्दे विष्णुं भवभयहरं सर्वलोकैकनाथम् Namaste to all. Today again we'll start with the Parayana. Uh, does anybody want to do Parayana or should I read the shlokas?
Uh, if I do it, it will take time and we won't be able to complete it in 30 minutes.
Okay, ma'am. Okay. ॐ तपस्वाध्यायनिरतं तपस्वी वाग्विदाम्बरं नारदं परिपप्रच्छ वाल्मीकिर्मुनिपुङ्गवं कोऽन्वस्मिन् साम्प्रतं लोके गुणवान् कश्च वीर्यवान् धर्मज्ञश्च कृतज्ञश्च सत्यवाक्यो दृढव्रतः. As I read them, you also try to you be muted, but you also try to read them along with me so that
Yeah,
it
sure.
becomes it becomes a practice for you as well. Okay. कोऽन्वस्मिन् साम्प्रतं लोके गुणवान् कश्च वीर्यवान् धर्मज्ञश्च कृतज्ञश्च सत्यवाक्यो दृढव्रतः चारित्रेण च को युक्तः सर्वभूतेषु को हितः विद्वान् कः समर्थश्च कश्चैकप्रियदर्शनः आत्मवान् को जितक्रोधो द्युतिमान् को न सूयकः कस्य बिभ्यति देवाश्च जातरोषस्य संयुगे एतदिच्छाम्यहं श्रोतुं परं कौतूहलं हि मे महर्षे त्वं समर्थोऽसि ज्ञातुमेवं विधन्नरम् श्रुत्वा चैतत्त्रिलोकज्ञो वाल्मीकेर्नारदो वचः श्रूयतामिति चामन्त्र्य प्रहृष्टो वाक्यमब्रवीत् बहवो दुर्लभाश्चैव ये त्वया कीर्तिता गुणाः मुने वक्ष्याम्यहं बुद्ध्वा तैर्युक्तः श्रूयतान्नरः इक्ष्वाकुवंशप्रभवो रामो नाम जनैः श्रुतः नियतात्मा महावीर्यो द्युतिमान् धृतिमान् वशी बुद्धिमान् नीतिमान् वाग्मी श्रीमान् शत्रुनिबर्हणः विपुलांसो महाबाहुः कम्बुग्रीवो महाहनुः महोरस्को महेश्वासो गूढजत्रुररिन्दमः आजानुबाहुः सुशिराः सुललाटः सुविक्रमः समः समविभक्ताङ्गः स्निग्धवर्णः प्रतापवान् पीनवक्षा विशालाक्षो लक्ष्मीवान् शुभलक्षणः धर्मज्ञः सत्यसन्धश्च प्रजानां च हिते रतः यशस्वी ज्ञानसम्पन्नः शुचिर्वश्यः समाधिमान् प्रजापतिसमः श्रीमान् धाता रिपुनिषूदनः रक्षिता जीवलोकस्य धर्मस्य परिरक्षिता रक्षिता स्वस्य धर्मस्य स्वजनस्य च रक्षिता वेदाङ्गतत्त्वज्ञो धनुर्वेदे च निष्ठितः सर्वशास्त्रार्थतत्त्वज्ञः स्मृतिमान् प्रतिभानवान् सर्वलोकप्रियः साधुः अदीनात्मा विचक्षणः सर्वदाभिगतः सद्भिः समुद्र इव सिन्धुभिः आर्यः सर्वसमश्चैव सदैव प्रियदर्शनः स च सर्वगुणोपेतः कौसल्यानन्दवर्धनः समुद्र इव गाम्भीर्ये धैर्येण हिमवानिव विष्णुना सदृशो वीर्ये सोमवत्प्रियदर्शनः कालाग्निसदृशः क्रोधे प्रमया पृथिवी समः धनदेन समस्त्यागे सत्ये धर्म इवापरः तमेवं गुणसम्पन्नं रामं सत्यपराक्रमं ज्येष्ठं श्रेष्ठगुणैर्युक्तं प्रियं दशरथः सुतम् प्रकृतीनां हितैर्युक्तं प्रकृतिप्रियकाम्यया यौवराज्येन संयोक्तुम् ऐच्छत् प्रीत्या महीपतिः तस्याभिषेकसम्भारान् दृष्ट्वा भार्याथ कैकयी पूर्वं दत्तवरा देवी वरमेनमयाचत विवासनं च रामस्य भरतस्याभिषेचनम् स सत्यवचनाद् राजा धर्मपाशेन संयतः विवासयामास सुतं रामं दशरथः प्रियम् स जगामवनं वीरः प्रतिज्ञामनुपालयन् पितुर्वचननिर्देशात् कैकेय्याः प्रियकारणात् तं व्रजन्तं प्रियो भ्राता लक्ष्मणोऽनुजगामः स्नेहाद्विनयसम्पन्नः सुमित्रानन्दवर्धनः भ्रातरं दयितो भ्रातुः सौभ्रात्रमनुदर्शयन् रामस्य दयिता भार्या नित्यं प्राणसमाहिता जनकस्य कुले जाता देवमायेव निर्मिता सर्वलक्षणसम्पन्ना नारीणामुत्तमा वधूः सीताप्यनुगता रामं शशिनं रोहिणी यथा पौरैरनुगतो दूरं पित्रा दशरथेन च शृङ्गिबेरपुरे सूतं गङ्गाकूले व्यसर्जयत् गुहमासाद्य धर्मात्मा निषादाधिपतिं प्रियं गुहेन सहितो रामो लक्ष्मणेन च सीतया ते वनेन वनं गत्वा नदीस्तीर्त्वा बहूदकाः चित्रकूटमनुप्राप्य भरद्वाजस्य शासनात् रम्यमावसथं कृत्वा रममाणा वने त्रयः देवगन्धर्वसङ्काशाः तत्र ते न्यवसन् सुखम् चित्रकूटं गते रामे पुत्रशोकातुरस्तथा राजा दशरथः स्वर्गं जगामविलपन् सुतम्. So I think this is where we stop.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So we will go up to, I think, 37. We'll stop at 37 or 38. 38. Okay. Is somebody ready? They can follow me and I'll read it once. They can read it twice. Mahesh ji.
Okay, I will read, sir. I will read, sir.
राजा दशरथः स्वर्गम्
राजा दशरथः स्वर्गम् राजा दशरथः स्वर्गम्
जगामविलपन् सुतम्
जगाम विलपन् सुतम् जगाम विलपन्तु सुतम्
विलपन् सुतम् विलपन् सुतम्
सुतम् जगाम विलपन् सुतम् जगाम विलपन् सुतम्
मृते तु तस्मिन् भरतो
भृते तु तस्मिन् भरतो
वसिष्ठप्रमुखैर्द्विजैः
वसिष्ठप्रमुखैर्द्विजैः
नियुज्यमानो राज्याय
नियुज्यमानो राज्याय
नैच्छद् राज्यं महाबलः
नैच्छद्राज्यं महाबलः
स जगाम वनं वीरो
जगाम वनः वीरो
स जगाम
वनं वीरो
रामपादप्रसादकः
रामपादप्रसादकः
गत्वा तु सुमहात्मानं रामं सत्यपराक्रमम् याचद्भ्रातरं रामम्
अयाचद्भ्रातरं रामम्
आर्यभावपुरस्कृतः त्वमेव राजा धर्मज्ञ इति रामं वचोऽब्रवीत् Akara is lopa, sir. Vachobravit.
इति रामं वचोऽब्रवीत्
रामोऽपि
परमोदारः
सुमुखः सुमहायशाः
सुमहायशाः अल्वा
महायशाः यशस् सर यशस् कीर्ति
यशाः सुमुखः सुमहायशाः I think I'm still making mistakes.
Yes, sir. Simple, sir. There is no need to worry. It's just very simple. So, Mahayashaha.
Sumukhasu Mahayashaha.
That's it. Okay. Nachaichat pituradeshat. Nachaichat.
Nachaychat
पितुरादेशात्
पितुरादेशा न चै
न चैच्छत् पितुरादेशात्
न चैच्छत् पितुरादेशा न चैच्छत् पितुरादेशा
आदेशात्
आदेशात्
राज्यं रामो महाबलः
राज्यं रामो महाबलः राज्यं रामो महाबलः
पादुके चास्य राज्याय
पादुके चास्य राज्याय पादुके चास्य राज्याय
न्यासं दत्त्वा पुनः पुनः
न्यास्यं दत्त्वा पुनः पुनः नास्यं दत्त्वा पुनः पुनः
न्यासं दत्त्वा पुनः पुनः
अफ्कारಬೇಕು न्यासं दत्त्वा पुनः पुनः न्यासं दत्त्वा पुनः पुनः
निवर्तयामास ततो निवर्त
निवर्तयामासः ततो निवर्तयामास ततो
भरतं भरताग्रजः
भरतं भरताग्रजः भरतं भरताग्रजः
सकामम् अनवाप्यैव
सकामम् अनपव्ययः
सकामम् अनवाप्यैव
अनवाप्यैव सकामम् अनवाप्यैव सकामम् अनवाप्यैव
रामपादावुपस्पृशन्
रामपादा उपस्पृशन्
नन्दिग्रामे करोत् राज्यम्
नन्दिग्रामे करोद्राज्यम् नन्दिग्रामे करोद्राज्यम् नन्दिग्रामे करोद्राज्यम्
रामागमनकाङ्क्षया गते तु भरते श्रीमन् सत्यसन्धो जितेन्द्रियः Okay. I think maybe we'll stop here only. In the half pada only we'll stop, because this is again starting the next thing. Till here was one part of Ghatta complete.
Okay.
So, okay, let's quickly discuss the meanings of these shlokas. Raja
Thanks for everyone.
Yes, thank you very much, sir.
Thanks for everyone's patience. Thank you.
So once we go through the meanings, we will take five more minutes, so that other one more person can also read along with me, so that it is more nurtured in the memory. So let's go through the meanings quickly. Raja Dasharatha Swargam Jagama Vilapan Sutam. We have discussed till here, At that time when Rama was in Chitrakuta, he was nicely, the three of them, Rama, Lakshmana and Sita Devi, they were three living very happily, like Deva and Gandharva, the way Devas and Gandharvas live beautifully, that is how they were living. At that time, Raja, remembering Rama, Vilapan Sutam, thinking and crying about Rama, Swargam Jagama. He went to Swarga. He left his earthly body and he got Swarga. So then what happened as soon as he was dead? Mrute tasmin Bharataha, as soon as he was dead. Tasmin Mrute, when Dasharatha was dead. Bharataha, Vasishtha Pramukhair Dvijaihi, by the Vasishtha and other Pramukha Dvijas, all the mantris that he had in the court of Dasharatha, what did they do? Vasishtha Pramukhair Dvijaihi Mrutetu Tasmin Niyujyamano Rajyaya Bharataha. So what they did, they said, Bharata, they called Bharata and said that you are the king now. Rajyaya Niyujyamanaha. And then what happened? But Bharata na cha ichhad na cha ichhad rajyam mahabalaha. Bharataha mahabalaha rajyam na ichhad. He did not want the rajyam. So this is what is being said here. So gatetu tasmin bharato vasishtha pramukhaihi dvijaihi niyujyamano rajyaya na ichhat na cha ichhat rajyam mahabalaha. So as soon as, so what is happening here? Let's quickly read this. Right? Vasishtha Pramukhair Dvijaihi, by Vasishtha and other prominent Brahmanas, Rajyaya Niyujyamanaha. Niyujyamanaha means they Niyuktaha. He was selected or he was made king. Rajyaya, he was about to be made. Mahabalaha. Bharataha kimavot, but Bharata Rajyam na ichhat. He did not desire the kingdom. He did not desire the kingship. And then what did he do? Because he did not desire the to rule. Sa jagama vanam veeraha bharataha jagama vanam. He went into the forest. Ramapada prasadakaha. Ramapada prasadakaha. At Rama's feet, mercy, praying for, in order to gain Rama's mercy, he went into the forest. Okay, Bharata refused the kingdom and denying Bharata, for he is aloft of greed, grouse and gripe, went to forests to pray for mercy at the feet of Rama. Because I think this is when he came back and he got to know about the fact that Rama was sent into forest. He did not yet know. At the time when Rama is sent, both Bharata and Shatrughna are at their mama's place. So they did not know that Rama, Kaikeyi had sent them away. So he was very, very saddened by the fact that, number one, his father had died. And moreover, his mother only had sent Rama out. So he did not want that. So he quickly went to Rama in order to ask for forgiveness. So that is what I think is being said here. Jagamatu, Gatvatu sa Mahatmanam Ramam Satyparakramam. After going to Rama, Gatvatu Samahatmanam Saha Bharataha Sumahatmanam Ramam Kidrusham Ramam Satyparakramam Yasya Parakramam Eva Satyam Saha Satyaparkramaha Adrusham Ramam Gatva. After going there, Saha Bharataha Kim Krutavan, what did he do? Ayachat, he asked, Bhrataram Ramam Aryabhava Puraskrutaha. He begged. Ayachat, Yachana means to beg. What did he beg? Tvameva Raja Dharmagnya. Hey Rama, Tvameva Raja Dharmagnya. You are only the king. I am not the king. Iti Ramam Vachaha abravit. Oh, sorry. Wait. So, okay. I think I'm getting confused. So he went there and he was asking Rama to become the king. Ayachat Bhrataram Ramam Arya Bhava Puraskrutaha. What is Arya Bhava Puraskrutaha? Arya means civilized. Bhava, Arya Bhava is being civilized. Puraskrutaha. Puraskrutaha. Itrasti Tvamev. Okay. Arya Bhava Puraskrutaha with humbleness by means of reverential one. Reverential or he is reverential for his humbleness. Iti. Mahatmanam Satyparakramam Ramam Saha Gatva Kim Krutavan Bhrataram Ramam Ayachat he begged of Dharmagnya He Dharmagnya, the knower of Dharma, Tvameva Raja, you are only king. Okay. Iti Vachaha Pravit, he said these words. I think I got it correctly first time only. Ramam, there are two times. Iti Ramam Vachaha Pravit. Towards Rama, Bharata said these words. Tvameva Raja Dharmagnya. Aham Raja na Tvameva Raja. Iti. Ramo be Paramodaraha. Normally, Rama is extremely compassionate. Sumukhaha Sumahayashaha of great Yashas. Sumukhaha of he is always Sumukhaha ityukte he is always ready to grant any wish iti. Sumukhaha is always ready, willing one, even though Sumahatmanaha he is of very great he is a great person. Sumaha Yashaha of great what is it? Yashas ityukte Kirtihi, that kind of Rama. Although he normally would agree to anything when somebody comes and asks him. Paramodaraha, extremely compassionate. He also nacha ichat. He did not want. What did he not want? Pituradeshat rajyam nacha ichat. Because of the adesha of his father, rajyam na ichat. He did not want the rajya. Ramaha Mahabalaha. Everything is Ramobi Paramodaraha. Sumukhaha Sumahayashaha. Although he is extremely compassionate, benevolent, he did not accept to take back or become the king because Pituradeshat. Okay? And then Paduke cha asya rajyaya nyasandhatva punah punaha nivartayamasa tato bharatam bharatagrajaha. Bharatagrajaha Ramaha, the elder brother of Bharata who is Rama, Bharatam nivartayamasa, sent back. Nivartayamasa, he sent back Bharata at that time. Tataha at that time. Doing what? Punah punaha nyasandatva. Explaining again and again that this is what he should do. At the end also, Padukecha asya rajyaya. He gave his padukas as well. Bharataha agrajaha, Bharata's elder brother who is Rama. Rajyaya asya, for the kingdom, to him. Paduke nyasandatva, he gave his sandals or the padukas. Tataha punaha, again and again, persuasively, Bharatam nivartayamasa. He sent Bharata back. So there is a long discussion that happens if you go to Ramayana. This is what I have heard. I have not read it. Hopefully one day, if by Bhagavad Krupa, I might read Ramayana one day. But yeah, I have heard that Bharata asks lots of questions and Rama does Dharma Bodha. And then he convinces him in many ways. This Punaha is referring to that. And then eventually he sends Bharata back. Okay. And then Sakamam Anavapya Eva रामपादावुपस्पृशन् रामपादौ उपस्पृशन् टचिंग Rama's feet सः भरतः कामं न अवाप्य eva without getting fulfilled his desire to give Rajya to Rama not being fulfilled also eva Ramapada upasprashan after touching the feet of Rama Nandigrame akarot Rajyam Rajyam Nandigrame akarot he started doing Rajyam he started ruling the kingdom from Nandigrama Rama Agamana Kangshaya, hoping that one day Rama will return. Agamana Kangshaya, Ramasya Agamana Kangshaya, Ramagamana Kangshaya, Bharataha Nandigrame Rajyam Akarot. Okay. Okay. I think this is where we should stop instead of the next sloka also. We'll stop here only. This is where it stops. This is end of one. Okay. So hopefully all of this was clear, right?
Yeah, yes, sir. In summary, it is explained the entire conversation happened in Chitrakoot.
Yes, sir. Okay. Is somebody else ready? We will quickly read these shlokas once again so that they are more fixed in the memory.
Okay, I will do.
Yes, ma'am. So we are already done till here. Raja Dasharathasvargam.
Raja Dasrathasvargam
Once is enough. Jagama Vilapan Sutam.
Jagama Vilapan Sutam
Mrute tu tasmin bharato.
Mute Tutrasmin Bharato
Vasishtha Pramukhair
Vasishta Pramukher Dvijayhi
नियुज्यमानो राज्याय
Niyujyamano Rajaya
न चैच्छत् न नैच्छद् राज्यं महाबलः did I say न चैच्छद् अय्यो okay नैच्छद् राज्यं महाबलः
Naichat Rajyam Mahabalaha
स जगाम वनं वीरो
Sajagama Vanam Viro
रामपादप्रसादकः
Rama Pada Prasadakaha
गत्वा तु सुमहात्मानं
Gatva tu Sumahatmanam
रामं सत्यपराक्रमम्
Ramam Satya Parakramam
अयाचद् भ्रातरं रामम्
Ayachat Bhrataram Ramam
आर्यभावपुरस्कृतः
Arya Bhava Puraskritaha
त्वमेव राजा धर्मज्ञ
Tameva Raja Dharmagnya
त्वमेव राजा धर्मज्ञ
Tvameva Raja Dharmagnya
इति रामं वचोब्रवीत्
Iti Ramam Vacho Babrabit
वचोब्रवीत्
Vacho Abrabit
वचः अब्रवीत् वचोब्रवीत् after sandhi the akara goes missing. There is no akara no longer. It's just vachobravit.
Iti Ramam Vacho Abrabit.
So if you want to say abravit, you will have to say vachaha.
Okay. No, actually,
vacho abravit would be wrong.
Okay.
Yeah. So vachaha abravit is correct, or vacho bravit is correct.
Vacho Brabit.
Vacho bravit or vachaha abravit.
Vacho Brabit.
Okay. Ramopi paramodaraha.
Ramo Piparamodaraha.
Paramodaraha.
Paramodaraha.
Parama उदारः परमोदारः
प्रमोदारः ओके रामोऽपि प्रमोदारः
सुमुखः सुमहायशाः
सुमुखस्तु महायशाः
न चैच्छत् पितुरादेशात्.
न चैच्छत् पितुरादेशात्
So it is actually na cha ichat, na chaichat, na chaichat pituradeshat, rajyam ramo mahabalaha,
राज्यं रामो महाबलः
पादुके चास्य राज्याय,
पादुके चास्याय राजाय
न्यासं दत्त्वा पुनः पुनः,
न्यासं दत्त्वा पुनः पुनः
निवर्तयामास ततः, rather if you break it here, निवर्तयामास ततः,
निवर्तयामास ततः
भरतं भरताग्रजः,
भरतं भरताग्रजः
सकामम् अनवाप्यैव सकामम् अनवाप्यैव
सकामम् अनवाप्यैव
रामपादावुपस्पृशन् रामपादावुपस्पृशन्. So that is the
राम
sentence.
ओके रामपादा उपस्पृशन्
नन्दिग्रामे करोद्राज्यम्
नन्दीग्रामे करोद्राज्यम्
रामागमनकाङ्क्षया.
रामागमनकाङ्क्षया
Yes. Thank you very much.
Thank you.
Anything? Any discussions to be made before we end the class?
Just one question.
Yes, ma'am.
This is Sanchipta of the main Ramayana, no?
Yes, ma'am.
So both were written by Valmiki ji?
So this first part is being told by Narada Maharshi. I think Valmiki only wrote this part as well. After listening to the story from Narada Maharshi, he is writing this story. This in the form of shlokas. This is what I think.
Okay. So, but he
Because
only wrote the
people
full
normally people don't talk in shlokas. So yeah.
But the full Ramayana is also by Valmiki ji.
Yes, ma'am. So this is the first part actually. In the
Okay.
first Balakanda, this is the first sarga. Sargas are the parts, like, there are some 100 sargas or just a second. So in each kanda, there are a bunch of sargas.
Okay.
So this is the first sarga of the first kanda, Balakanda.
Okay. But
So
it
this
seems like full, so in this 100 sloka, we will cover full story.
Yes,
Or
ma'am. Full story, yes.
then what is there in the next sargas?
It will go into much more detail. This is only Sankshepa. Sankshepa means brief.
Okay, brief of the every
Yes.
instance.
It's like the summary of the whole story.
Okay.
There are 24,000 shlokas in total. But the first 100 are just giving you the complete summary of whatever has happened.
Okay, got it.
Okay. Thank you very much.
Dhanyavad.
Thank you, sir. Thank you so much.
यदक्षरपदभ्रष्टं मात्राहीनं च यद्भवेत् तत्सर्वं क्षम्यतां देवनारायण नमोऽस्तुते. विसर्गबिन्दुमात्राणि पदपादाक्षराणि च न्यूनानि चातिरिक्तानि क्षमस्व पुरुषोत्तमा. सर्वं श्रीपरमेश्वरार्पणमस्तु.